Hi friends, welcome back. Are you still translating Kannada into English in your head? You must start thinking in English. In this video, I will show you simple and powerful techniques to help you think directly in English through the characters Ram and John. Ram is not as good as John at English. Over to dialogues between Ram and John. Compared to John, Ram is not so good at English. Let us see the dialogues between Ram and John on the topic how to think in English. Ram says, "Hey John, I can understand English, but when I speak, I always translate from Kannada. It takes time and I feel nervous." John, that's a common problem, Ram. But the good news is you can train your brain to think directly in English. Ram asks, "But why do we translate first?" John says, "Because Kannada is your first language. You learned English through memorization and grammar rules. So your brain goes like this: Kannada, translate, speak. This is not the correct way." Ram says, "That's exactly what I do." John, the problem is translation slows your speaking and it creates confusion with grammar. Ram, yes, sometimes I mix up the order of words. That's because English sentence structure is different. To speak fluently, you have to think in English naturally. John, look around and name things in English. For example, fan, window, bottle, book. Then build small sentences like this is my phone, the clock is ticking, like this. Ram, I can do that while sitting at home. John, speak simple sentences to yourself, Ram. Say what you are doing aloud in your mind. For example, I am brushing my teeth, I am drinking tea. Ram, so I don't need anyone to practice with. John, exactly. You are your best speaking partner. John says, don't think ಅವನು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He is eating fruit. Instead, imagine the picture and say directly, he is eating an apple. He is eating fruit. Like this. Ram. So I should visualize and speak. John. Yes, that builds your English brain. John. When you are alone, think in English. For example, should I go now? Where is my bag? Like this. Ram. Even my silent thinking should be in English? John. Yes, that's how fluent speakers do it. John. Watch English movies, stories, or YouTubers, read simple English books. Ram. But I don't understand fast English. John. Use subtitles, then pause and repeat after them. Mimic how they speak. Summary 5 steps to think in English. First one, name objects around you. Second one, talk to yourself. Third one, think in pictures. Fourth one, use inner voice in English. Fifth one, watch, read, and imitate. Ram, wow, these are easy and practical. John, do it every day for 10 minutes. Soon you will think in English without effort. Ram, thank you, John. I'm going to try these from today. John, great. And to everyone watching, if this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, do you still translate English in your head? Let's talk about it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.